Widgetable sleep tutorial. So here is this app called Widgetable. It's one of the best apps to install different types of widgets. So first of all, you need to go and update your Widgetable app. So just go to App Store and then just go to Widgetable and update it to the latest version. And then you will find here sleep widget. So this is a new feature where you can have a sleep widget with your friend, with your partner. So you just have it here. And then you can track your friend's sleep in this app. So you just basically need to add friends. So here's your invite code. You can share this invite code with your friends so people can just add you there. So this way you can just add friends, and then you can also then select friend, and then the friend also needs to select you for this sleep widget to work. Then you select different themes, which ones you like. Some of them require subscription. Most of them, all of them basically require subscription except for one. And then when to sleep, you just add it in your schedule. You just add it in your date source, and then another thing, like for it to work, you need to connect Apple Health. I already did that, so you see Apple Health here. So just make sure to do that. And also, in addition to that, you still need to enable sleep mode in the Health app. Basically, that's the idea. So there are a lot of guides, but basically you just go to sleep somewhere in the settings. And then it's actually, I think it's in the Health app. So if you just go to Health, not iCloud, but the app. And then, all right, so here you just need to make sure that Widgetable is here in the sources. And then basically, all right, so then you just open up Health app, and then in there you can just go and browse, and then sleep, and from here enable your sleep schedule. So that's how you do it basically. You just need to also to do that. If you don't do this, Widgetable app not gonna work. So yeah, that's basically the idea how you can get started with Widgetable app. And then you just create this widget, you just save it. This widget being added to your Widgetable screen, and then you just go and install this widget as you install normal widgets. So you have small widget, medium. So you just, for example, add in this one, and then just tap and hold. Widget style, and then here this friend sleep, and then basically ask your friend to select you too. So that's how you do it. Again, at the moment it's quite buggy, so it doesn't always work. As you can see, I don't have sleep mode enabled, so it's not syncing. Basically, if you don't have your sleep data in your Health app, it's also not gonna work in Widgetable. So just make sure that basically your sleep mode is tracked in Apple Health app, and then it's gonna work. And basically what it does is just you see how your sleep and your friend's sleep. You can see, all right, I had an excellent sleep, like I slept 9 hours, and then you can see that my friends had a poor sleep, 4 hours. It's pretty cool idea.